Samari cordless battery operated leaf blower. Very compact in size for small apartments, small businesses where you just want to blow some leaves away. It's not those super duty ones, but it is 140 CFM, 60 and 130 miles per hour. Let's open it up, check it out, what you get inside. As we start to get ready to unpack, we have the battery on charge with the special DIN cable and power supply that lights up red and green when completed. An instruction user manual where the battery and the power supply comes in. In this box, a spare battery. Plug it into the charging port and the power supply. One of the chutes, the second chute with the nozzle, and of course the leaf blower. Samari yellow, very bright, has the on and off switch, 2-stage. You simply take the chute, snap it in, put the other chute correctly on, not downward, but maybe upward. They snap into place nice and hard. Take the battery, make sure that the switch is in the off position, and lock it into place. It's a 20-volt max lithium battery. It is a nice size indeed. There's all the styrofoam. Does a nice job. It's quiet on low. Leaf blower, small, compact, light, not as powerfully noisy as the big ones. They do a great job, and when you're finished, you can simply take off the top piece, store it away, compact in design, and there you go. Off it comes. You can't put on the small piece, but you can use this piece like so. If you want to clean certain things, like a step or so, like this. But it's great to keep it together in one. So I hope this product may be right for you. It has the airflow over here, and it has the blow port over here. Enjoy your product.